Algebraic ratio and proportion. Today's question: if n equals to root over 2n by y minus 1, prove that n equals to root 1 plus y plus root 1 minus y divide root 1 plus y minus root 1 minus y. It's a very simple question. First, we have to start from here, which is given n equals to root 2n divide y minus 1. So in this case we have to omit this root sign, so we can write n square equals to 2n divide y minus 1. A side note, we should write squaring both sides. Okay, now we can write n square and this minus 1 become plus 1 divide equals to 2n divide y. Okay, then n square plus 1, this 2n will become in here equals to 1 by y. Now we can make, now we should do componendo and dividendo. It means n square plus 1 minus 2n, and here is n square plus 1, here is plus 2n and here is minus 2n equals to similar thing 1 plus y 1 minus y, and we can write doing componendo and dividendo. Right, now look, it's looking a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. How? Look, a square it means n square, b square is a 1 square means 1, and 2ab it means 2 times n times 1, it's a 2n, right? So this one we can write n plus 1 whole square. Similar, this one we can write n minus 1 whole square equals to, here is 1 plus y and 1 minus y. Our target to make this one root over 1 plus y and also root over 1 minus y. So we can write square root both sides. So n plus 1 and n minus 1, and here this one is become 1 plus y root over and again root over 1 minus y. We can write square root both side. Okay, now next is a very important part. Again we can doing componendo and dividendo, so we can write n plus 1 plus n minus 1 divide n plus 1 minus n plus 1. Similar, here is a root over 1 plus y plus root over 1 minus y. Same thing, root over 1 plus y minus root over 1 minus y. A side note, componendo and dividendo again C and D. Okay, so here plus 1 and minus 1 out, here will be 2n divide here n and minus n out, so here is 2. So we can write this one root over 1 plus y plus root over 1 minus y, same thing root over 1 plus y minus root over 1 minus y. So once we divide by 2, 2 and 2 will be out. Our final answer will be n equals to this one. It means root over 1 plus y plus root over 1 minus y, again root over 1 plus y minus root over 1 minus y. Okay, so it's a very simple thing. We already get this one and it's a proved. Okay, this is very important math for any kinds of competitive examination where you are facing algebra, and this is a algebraic ratio and proportion. My channel name is SaadX. Please subscribe my channel. Once you follow this channel, you will get lots of things for your exam preparation. So no more today. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.